DonorsChoose helps facilitate a process that allows outside donors to help teachers. I did a big project for frogs for dissection. I wanted to give my kids that experience in middle school, that they can learn about the anatomy of animals and comparing their anatomy to human anatomy. They were super excited, and then it gave me kind of like chills of like, oh, I made their idea of science come true, and kind of had that engagement piece that, all teachers look for. It was really nice to be able to ask donors and through OG&E to assist in providing those supplies that students need to really be engaged in the learning in the classroom. Thank you for supporting our community and our school. It's really nice that you think about people who are supporting you that don't even know you or don't know your students, but still value them. Whether it be the business sector, the industrial sector, or the educational sector, we're all trying to make this place a better place.